In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize ordinal data by doing this practice problem with you. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this data set and recognize it as ordinal data because there is some logical order present among the values. And to create the frequency distribution table, we're going to first list all possible values in some logical order. And then we're going to do the tally. So satisfied, unsatisfied, unsatisfied, satisfied, 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 unsatisfied, satisfied, satisfied. Okay. Now that we have all the tally, we can compute frequencies. So we add them all up. And then we can compute the relative frequency. And we compute the relative frequency by taking the total, which is 30, and dividing each frequency by the total. For this, you may need a calculator. I don't have one on me, but 10 divided by 30 is 0.33 or 33%. 7 divided by 30 is, I don't want to make that mistake, 7 divided by 3 is 2 and 1/3, so it's going to be 23.3%. And 13 divided by 30 is almost twice as much, so it's 43.3%. So the total here is always either 1 or 100%, depending on how you express your relative frequencies, either in decimal form or as percentages. And let's construct a bar chart. To construct a bar chart, we're going to list all values on the x-axis. So here we have unsatisfied, neither, satisfied, and we're going to create a scale. I'm going to go up to 15 in increments of 5. So this is 5, 10, 15. And according to this scale, we have 10 unsatisfied. So the bar will be this tall, 7 neither. So it will be roughly this tall, and 13 satisfied. So the bar will be this tall. Now, are we asked to find the pie chart? Yes. So to construct a pie chart, we draw a full circle, and then we divide it according to this percentages. So roughly half will be, so this is roughly 43.3% that will be satisfied. Roughly third will be unsatisfied, and what's the last one? Neither will be less than a quarter, 23.33%. So that's how you do it by hand. Now we just need to pick the right answers or fill in all these blanks So let's go ahead and try that so we can get the full credit. And the frequency here is 10. Relative frequency is 0.33. Neither is 7.23. Satisfied is 13 or 0.43. Total is 30 or 1, or in this case 0.99. And let's pick the right bar chart. 10, 7, 13 looks like it's the first one. And let's pick the right pie chart. It's going to be 43. Looks like it's this one, right? Also the first one. So let's press submit. We got the full credit, other than here. So I think it's safe to just always enter 1 over here. And then we can get the full credit. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to practice another problem like this, look at the description of this video.